Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to connect the OTG on Google Pixel 9a, 8a and 7a using OTG setup and compatible devices. Step 1. Get a compatible OTG adapter. So a USB-C OTG adapter for a standard USB-A device, a USB drive with a built-in USB-C connector, a powered USB-C hub for devices that require more power. The Pixel 9a has a USB Type-C 3.2 port and the same basic USB-C OTG connection method applies to the Pixel 9a and Pixel 7a. Step 2. Connect the OTG devices. So plug the USB-C OTG adapter into a Pixel charging port, connect your USB flash drive, keyboard, mouse and card reader or other USB devices to the adapter. Now wait a few seconds for the phone to detect it. Step 3. Open a USB flash drive. So open the files by Google app, then tap the USB available notification if it appears. Then select the connected USB storage device. Tap allow to give files by Google permissions to access it. And then scroll to storage devices and tap the USB drive to view its files. Step 4. Copy or move files. Open the required files or folder in a files by Google. Then press and hold the files you want to transfer. Now tap the three dot menu and choose copy to or move to. Then select either the internal storage to copy files to the phone or USB storage to copy files to the connected drive. For photos captured with the Pixel camera, open internal storage, DCIM and then click on camera. Goodbye and thanks for watching.